To turn on or turn off edge lighting notification in specific apps, in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Display. Scroll down. Tap Edge Screen. Tap Edge Panels. Enable edge lighting, tap switch until blue. Tap Manage Notifications. Tap Apps switch you want until blue to turn on, or tap until gray to turn off. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.